Hi everyone, I just bought this old soda vending machine and we are rolling it in to check it out. The previous owner had some issue with it, unplugged it and left it behind. Alright, take a look at this. This vending machine looks terrible. The button is broken, the front is scratched up and overall it's pretty bad shape. And of course, the previous owner cannot find the key. No surprise there, but no worries, I will use my universal key. I bought this vending machine for just 1000 kroner, which is about around 100 US dollar. But now it's time to open it up and see what's inside.
Jeg brukte sånn masternøkkel min. Jeg tar så klirring der, hører dere det?
The kids are excited because I promised them a share of whatever we find in the
Bare
machine.
trekke litt av nå. Trekke litt bort her nå.
Oi, penger. Det er masse dyr.
Se her.
Penger der. Oi, se der.
Vil du brus her da?
Nei, se på se. Se der. Se masse.
Oi. Skal vi se hva som er inni her?
Ja.
Hva skjer? Det er jam.
Jam. Oi,
Ser du det?
masse penger.
Det tettet seg.
Skal vi se hva mye penger?
Og her også. Er det noe inni her da? Skal vi se.
Masse penger. Oi! Jeg glemte å sjekke pengene.
Det er ikke så mye her, men du ser her. Det har
Let's
jammet
count the
seg.
money and we will get back to you.
Jeg trodde...
A few moments later.
Hvor mye penger vi har.
Eller? Oi!
Sånn. Men det som gjør. And how much money we have?
1,680.
Oi. That's a lot. Hva sier vi da når vi har vunnet?
Yeah!
Thanks for watching. We find some surprise today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more vending adventure. See you next time.